Welcome back to Tech Scout, where we showcase the most advanced industrial and automation machinery from around the world. In this video, you'll see specialized equipment designed to boost efficiency, safety, and precision in modern industries. This remote-controlled brush cutter uses hydraulic blades and low-pressure tracks to clear dense vegetation safely, ideal for managing steep or hazardous terrain. An industrial robotic arm performs precise, repeatable motions that boost production efficiency. Its flexibility and accuracy make it a cornerstone of modern automation lines. A robotic grinding system polishes and deburrs metal parts with servo-controlled precision, achieving smooth finishes while reducing operator fatigue and dust exposure. This glass bottle forming unit molds molten glass into uniform shapes using air pressure and heat, a key process for mass-producing jars and beverage containers. Here, a robotic facade cleaner uses suction pads and automated sprayers to safely clean high-rise buildings, removing the need for manual rope access. This automated grinding station with multiple robotic arms ensures consistent surface quality, perfect for polishing and deburring large metal components. Using vision sensors and high-speed motion, this pick-and-place robot transfers parts between conveyors with perfect alignment, ideal for packaging and assembly lines. An automotive painting robot applies coatings evenly with electrostatic guns, achieving superior finishes and reduced paint waste across vehicle manufacturing. This automated car wash uses synchronized rollers, brushes, and jets to clean vehicles quickly and evenly, optimizing water use while ensuring spotless results. Here, a CNC finishing system polishes and deburrs metal parts to precise tolerances, ensuring both safety and flawless dimensional accuracy. This robotic palletizer organizes packaged goods into stable stacks, reducing manual labor and improving logistics efficiency in warehouses. A CNC fixture system automatically clamps and aligns workpieces with micron precision, minimizing downtime between machining operations. This CNC router shapes wood panels for furniture and design projects, blending digital accuracy with fine craftsmanship. A rotary capping system applies secure, consistent seals to bottles, ensuring leak-proof packaging for beverages and pharmaceuticals. This PET blow molding machine inflates under heat to create durable, lightweight plastic bottles for food and beverage industries. An AI-powered sorting line scans fruits by color, weight, and size, grading them with remarkable speed and accuracy for export packaging. Here, a robotic palletizer stacks boxes with perfect balance and precision, boosting speed, safety, and consistency in logistics operations. From robotic arms and CNC machining systems to automated sorting and packaging, these machines highlight how industrial automation continues to redefine modern production. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the world of advanced machinery.